Hey guys, it is Ray from Team Reese Travels, and guess what? It is Travel Tip Tuesday, and we are back for another Travel Tip Tuesday. And guess what? Today we're going to talk about how to get more vacation time with the current vacation time that you have. But before we get started, thank you if you are a first-time viewer of this video. Thank you to you if you are a member or a subscriber to Team Reese Travels. We appreciate you, and we thank you for being Team Reese VIP because we love you. All right, so you want to know how to get more vacation time? Do you want to know how to get more vacation time? How about getting 51 days of vacation in 21 days of PTO in 2023? Right? Sounds good, right? Now, I know we are pretty much at the end of March going into April, but I want to talk to you about how you can do this in January and February so you can implement this process in 2024 when you get ready to plan out your vacation time. Now, in January, you could have taken PTO on Thursday and Friday before Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and you would have gotten 5 days off. Now, in February, you could have taken PTO for the first 2 days before President's Day weekend for 5 days off. Now, you're ready to go into May, so you still have time to do this. Take off 2 days before Memorial Day weekend and get 5 days off. Now, in June, take 2 days off before Juneteenth weekend for 5 days off. For July, take off Monday before July 4th for 4 days off. Now, here comes the big amount of PTO you can take. In November, take Friday, November 10th off for Veterans Day. Leave Thursday night on November 9th, which is my birthday, and come back Sunday, November 26th. This gives you a total of 17 days off, and you only have to use 8 days of PTO. And last but not least, in December, if you take 4 days between Christmas and New Year's, you'll have a total of 10 days off. That's right. You heard it right here. Team Reese Travels, 51 days of vacation with only 21 days of PTO. Now, I know that everyone doesn't get 21 days of PTO. So, if you know the amount of PTO you have, you may have more, you may have less. Take those days, look at the calendar dates that I mentioned in this video, and schedule out your vacation. Get that extended amount of time in vacation with the PTO that you have. All right. Thank you all so much for being here. We appreciate you. Again, please hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Hit the notification bell so you can hear everything we have. Hit the like button so you can let YouTube know and the world know that you like what you heard here today. And make sure you're here for our next video. We love you guys. We appreciate you. Thank you again for being Team Reese VIP. And we love you. And we'll talk to you again real soon.